That's it. So take a look. Take a look so far. Let's go to the back side. This is another way to the back side. This is the kitchen to the second floor. I'm in the first floor, sorry. So this is another way out. Yeah. Another way. Another way. This is the tower. The water tower. This is another way. This is for laundry. It's best prepare for laundry. So the top here. Let's prepare for laundry so that you cannot just launder anywhere around the compound for the soap water, because it's damaging it's harmful for the cement. Soap water is harmful for the cement. So we prepare a place here that we can launder. Then this is the, I was standing there, remember, so I've passed another way so that I can get through this place, because there's no more passage here. It has closed, because all this bike has to run this way so that they can get through out and flush it over there. So that's it. You see, we want this level. That's why this mud is packed here, so they can just spread this mud around so that we can take this level. And the same dialect over there will come here, so you can have your fresh air here. And this is the swimming pool. You can rest here. You have to plant flowers. The same type flowers has to plant all over this place, so that you can have a best time to think, to do something good. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment. Okay, so follow me. Follow me to the next side. So, you see, I was down there, now up here. So, I just want to go to the last floor, the upper floor of this house. I start here, remember? So follow me upstairs. So this is the pavilion. You can see this is the pavilion that I was showing you. See. So as I say, other projects are going on in the Dodo community that you would like to see. You can see it. Take a look. Take a look. You can take it. That place is called Kailam. The Kailam Kotsbari area. I don't care. This is, I don't know. You can see by the Mishkem area. So that's it. And here is the Dodo. This is a community field. And there is Ogu Farm. This is Dodo. This is Dodo. Over there, it's called New Jersey. This is New Jersey. It's New Jersey where we have our dam. Because we don't have boreholes here, we don't have well. Everybody, we depend on the dam. The dam is far away over there. Dam, we have dam there that is supplying everybody here. You can see the pipe coming down. You can see the pipe. So we are all connected to the dam that is far away behind by New Jersey there. Where this house is behind, just behind this house, you can see the dam is there, natural dam. It cannot dry. It can serve us during the rainy season and during the dry season. Even the deepest dry season, which is March like this, we can still have water. As you can see, my tanks are all full. You can see the pipe coming, all full. We have a beautiful dam here. Blessed. We're blessed with that dam. But one way you will see it one day. I have to go there so that you can see a beautiful something that we are benefiting from. So nobody have boreholes here, nobody have well. We are all depending on that dam, which cannot